I come out here to the natural world often during my life. These days, especially with COVID, with rampant social injustice, with shaky economics and political mayhem, all of us are feeling a kind of grief and desperation. And the secret about that is that the depth of that grief and the depth of that desperation comes directly from how much we love and how much we care. But that care and that love can be thwarted by our belief that we're separate. In fact, what if we came here not to escape, but to reclaim our connection with all of this, to check out again the superpowers of the natural world, and remember that they're ours too.
What brought me to the natural world in the first place, and what keeps me going back, is a sense of place, a sense of connection, of belonging, of kinship. The interesting thing is that that's a reality of how the world works, how life on planet Earth works. And science is only now just beginning to catch up to that fact. So this kind of connection is absolutely everywhere. For instance, where Mary and I live in Yellowstone National Park area, I can guarantee you right now, in that national park, flying above the landscape is some raven leading one of the 8 wolf packs to a carcass, a winter-killed carcass. The raven wants to dine on that carcass, but she can't open up the hide with her beak. It's not sharp enough. So she takes the wolves to the carcass, the wolves open it up, feed, and then she gets to feed as well. So this world is an absolute feast of connections.
This is the challenge and the opportunity that full ecology brings us back to, how the science of nature and the science of human experience really overlap. For example, whether we're talking about elephants or public schools, tide pools or memory and dreams, we're talking about ecologies. Natural ecologies and social ecologies are with us everywhere, and they function, when they're functioning well, they function in very similar ways.